There is a common wish for love to be a smooth road swept of dust, but real love is like fire. It thrives on obstacles. When challenged, it leaps higher. At the base of the palm, we find the Aframomum melegueta. Its seeds burn with heat and its roots heal fevers. It is a useful plant, but it is humble, sprawling only across the floor. Then there is the aya, a type of fern known botanically as Matteuccia. It is one of the oldest living things on Earth, quiet, unassuming, and astonishingly hardy. The aya is an epiphyte. It does not rob from its host. It coexists. It clings to sunlit stones or soggy earth alike, drawing strength from the light and the air. This plant is so respected by Ghanaians that it is a celebrated symbol of endurance. To wear the aya is to say, I have weathered the storms and I remain. While the Aframomum stays at the bottom, the fern ascends. It settles among the fronds, leading to the proverb. In vain the sensum gathers at the base, for the fern is the palm's true wife. The fern even outlives the palm. When the tree has served its purpose and its body begins to rot, the aya carries on. It does not die with its host, it flourishes beyond it. This is the lesson for those who love. True affection should not lead to dependence. Like the fern, a partner should be strengthened to flourish even when the other is gone. Love does not fear the storm. It grows deeper through adversity and stays rooted in the long view of life. Explore the enduring lessons of the forest in the book, Botanical Wisdom from West Africa, available now on Amazon.